In this project, we're gonna test our complete ALU project, which involves a adder, incrementer, subtractor, a multiplier, and a series of bitwise operations. For the first four inputs on the right, this is gonna be our A input. The four digits on the left, it will be our B input. Our first four LEDs will show us our results for the sum, add, subtract, increment, or any other bitwise operations. LED number 4 will be our negative flag, 5 or 0 flag, 6 or overflow, and 7 or carry out. In case of multiplications, all 8 LEDs will be used for the product. First two set inputs we're going to try, it will be 12 for A, that is 1100, and 6 for B, which is 0110. At the first command, which we will use these push buttons on the right, which this one will be X, then Y, and then Z. When all are 0, the adder is working, which we got 6 and 12, that will be 18. But 4 LEDs are not enough to show the number 18, that's why our carry out is showing. Next, we have the subtractor, which will be X0, Y0, and Z1. And we get our 6. It's 12 minus 6. And we get our overflow, because the carry in is different from the carry out, and as well as our carry out, of course, flag. Then we have the incrementer, which increments A. And then 12 increment to 13, and that's 13 is showing on the first 4 LEDs. That's 1101. Now we proceed for multiplication. Multiplication's command is X0, Y1, and Z1, which it gave us a 72. That's displayed in all 8 LEDs. That will be 01001000. Now we proceed for the bitwise operations. For the first bitwise operation, we have to X should be 1 and Y and Z will be 0. That's our AND gate, which give us a 0100 as a result. Next will be the OR gate, which is X1, Y0, and Z1. That gives us 1110. Next is our NOT gate, which it will invert in input number 8. That's 0011. And at least all 3 on will be our XOR operation, which give us a 1010. Now we proceed for the next set of inputs. We're going to keep 12 as the A input, and we're going to change B to 00. For the adder again, we get 12. Then for the subtractor, we get negative 12 and our carry out being is on. After that, we go for incrementer. Our incrementer will show us the number 13. Now we're gonna go for the multiply, and that's showing 0. 12 times 0 is 0. Now we proceed for the bitwise operations. First is the AND gate, which you give us 0, and our 0 flag is on. Then we proceed for the OR gate, which give us a 1100. Then our NOT gate, which inverts A, that's 0011, and our XOR, kind of tricky, that's 1100. And that concludes the testing.